everyone. Are you all ears? Let's talk about idioms. What is an idiom? Well, Granny likes to say that an idiom is a phrase that adds flavor to your message. For example, this celery stalk, you can eat it plain, or you can add some extra flavor like chocolate chips and peanut butter. Same old celery, but with a little extra fun. Now let's add some flavor to communication, like saying it's raining cats and dogs. Now what does that mean, to say it's raining cats and dogs? Does it mean A, cats and dogs are falling from the sky? Or B, the rain is coming down heavily? That's right, it's B. Raining cats and dogs means the same thing as it's raining heavily. Now let's go outside. Remember, after it stops raining cats and dogs, you may put on a coat, grab your favorite umbrella and your favorite rain boots, and head outside. After it rains cats and dogs, you can find some fun puddles to jump in. But ask your mom and dad first, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Now friends, if you found this helpful and fun, please like and subscribe. And if there are any idioms you'd like for Granny to define, please list those in the comments. Please come back and visit soon.